Okay, this is the Emperor Hotel right here. I'm gonna catch it at night. It's kind of interesting. So you can see the main logo right there, straight that way. I'm gonna capture all the other stuff going on. Here's Landmark Casino, which is right here. And right now the evening is kind of perfect with the lighting right now. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Right now. You go all the way down, there's some other casino. There's Rio Casino Hotel. Over here is like Metro Park Hotel, Holiday Inn. Actually, this is Holiday Inn right here. I think it's Holiday Inn or that one. But this is definitely 100% Emperor. So we're gonna be focusing on Emperor. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, I think I'm gonna go down this way because I want to capture that logo for one. And we're walking down, this is all part of Metro Park. So that's Metro Park, and then Emperor. Metro Park is also a hotel and casino, and then there's Emperor Hotel and Casino as well. You see the reflection of both. So yeah, Emperor Hotel. Nice reflections, eh? Then you got some other stuff. Here's watches, things like that. Now I can capture the nice logo right there, Emperor Hotel. We'll try to catch it from the side because I think that'll be a good image. There's also Emperor Sauna. This is the second video I put up. I think the other one I did in the daytime, so I wasn't able to do it quite like this with the nighttime one, you know. I think it looks kind of cool like that. Could be a good thumbnail right there, Emperor Hotel and Casino. So let's give you some context. So yeah, this will be the second video. I'll try to link them so you can see both of them together. This is called, that whole area is called NAPE. There's a World Trade Center down there. Sands Casino is, you see right there between those two buildings, the Sands Casino. That right there is Star World Casino. So actually Emperor has this, there's a residential apartment right here that blocks the view, I can tell. So most of the Emperor rooms go that way or that way. There's also a sauna in there as well. So yeah, that's kind of interesting, right? So this building right here would be all Emperor Hotel. I believe it's also a casino. Maybe it's just Emperor Sauna and Hotel. I'm not sure. But anyways, it's next to Landmark. Mabo sells all this kind of cheap looking clothing. Casino, call it like casino looking clothing. Like that kind of stuff. Okay, so we're gonna walk around the side. There's President Casino straight ahead. Got a parking garage here. This is definitely kind of the back side. And now you can see, that's Wynn Casino over there. But now we're gonna take Emperor on the side. I believe that's mostly it up there. And I think this might be like a sauna part. It's like almost no windows. It's kind of cool. Little, for some reason it keeps saying like this thing about exposure. I think I'm still filming anyways. This is only open 10 to 3, but there's people in it right now. Or it's closed from 10 to 3. Not sure which. Okay. So anyways, we're still at Hotel Emperor. And we're just gonna go around it in kind of a circle. This has some pretty good, I eat here sometimes actually, this restaurant. I really like it. Tell you what I get if I can see it on the menu. Yeah, I don't see it. If I went inside I could see it. I think it's, anyways, I'll eat some good food in there sometimes. So here's the other side, Emperor Hotel. There's a fish restaurant right there. Purses, leather, more purses, more restaurants, King of Dumpling. Okay. Holiday Inn, it's also called Diamond Casino. Let me just see. So there's a Diamond Casino right there. And then you got Lisboa down there, and there's also President Casino. And this one is Emperor Hotel Casino. So let's just try to capture it one last time. So I guess that's the Emperor logo right there. And that's all landmark. So, okay. Kind of right in the middle of stuff. Bunch of casinos and spas and saunas and stuff like that. Okay. Emperor Hotel right there. Hope you like that one.
Chiquinha